Hi, I'm Manuela Angulo and this is my second task of the English project. The unit I chose for the first task is Unit 8, Engineering, because I am currently studying civil engineering and it seemed interesting to me being able to relate some aspects of the unit with my career. I would like to talk about two specific things: the impact of engineering on society due to automation and about instinct. First, I would like to talk about the impact of automation, which comes from innovation and the desire to do things in a better way, a more practical way. This can have a number of advantages, but at the same time, disadvantages. I will give a specific example to give greater clarity to this point. This is trenchless technology.
This is trenchless technology, which consists of replacing the trenches when carrying out a work of building.
In simpler words, let us imagine that we need to replace a pipe that crosses a road, for which before implementing this technology, it was necessary to make a huge hole that covered the entire area of scope of the said process.
Which meant carrying out massive excavations, traffic problems, and danger for the workers inside the work. And what this technology allows is to make only two holes, each one in a corner, and pass through a specific machine that performs the task of changing the pipe.
This is good, since it would avoid the problems mentioned above, but at the same time it would mean that the people who previously did this work would be left without it. Then an interesting debate can be reached related to economic, social and environmental impact, because despite the fact that this innovation manages to avoid some big problems, it generates others in its path. Now I will talk about instinct. I remember that in my third semester I took the subject statics with Professor Daniel Ruiz. He spoke about something called gut engineering, and this refers to instinct, the instinct that an engineer has and a student engineer acquires on its career. At that time, it was difficult for me to understand that because I had a lot of problems to solve an engineering problem, and it was quite difficult for me. And also, I reached a point in my life where it was a constant trial and error test. But now, already in my ninth semester, there are things that I understand just by looking at them. Problems that used to take me like 1 day, 3 days, 1 week. I can solve it like in half an hour, 1 hour. And all these things made by guts, because this goes hand in hand with the knowledge acquired for over the years, where one of these things become mechanical. And we know they are good, we are doing the things in a proper way, just because instinct indicates it.